Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Claude Code with Firebase. First, set up your Firebase project by calling the Firebase console, then click Create Project and follow the setup steps. And after that, enable Firestore as your database and authentication if needed. Then download your config file, which includes your API keys. Next, initialize your app by opening your project folder in the terminal. Then run npm init-y to create a package file. And after that, install the required packages using npm install firebase.env so your app can connect securely to Firebase. Now, ask Claude AI to generate the Firebase setup by running a prompt like create a Firebase configuration file using Firestore and environment variables. And Claude will generate the Firebase config file's connection setup and secure environment variable usage. Then, connect the Firestore database by asking Claude to write code to connect to Firestore and perform CRUD operations. And this will include creating, reading, updating, and deleting data from your database. After that, build your API or app logic by asking Claude to create a Node.js API that uses Firebase Firestone for storing user data, and you will get routes like get, post, put, and delete along with Firebase integration and proper data handling. Finally, test and deploy your app by running node-index.js in your terminal. Then test your API using Postman or directly in the browser, and once everything works properly, you can deploy it to a server or cloud platform. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.